Hello everyone and welcome to Michell Consulting Group University. This video will be going through some tips and tricks on using Microsoft Snipping Tool. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to click on the start button, bottom left side. We're going to type snip on our keyboard. And here's the snipping tool. We can right click and pin to our taskbar if we want, and it will appear here at the bottom. So we can click on that or click on here on the top. And that's going to go ahead and open up the snipping tool for us. As an example, I'm going to go ahead and open up here a website for which I want to take a screenshot of. So here we go. We're going to select snipping tool. We're going to select new. And the screen will turn white. And when you click and drag, you'll see a rectangular shape come across. The section that is not white anymore is the section that the snipping tool is taking a screenshot of. So we're going to let go. And we're going to see the screenshot has been taken here. So this is the snipping tool editor. And here we have a variety of options as well. If we select new, we're going to take a new screenshot from this screen. Same options as before, as well as an option for save, an option for copy, and an option as well to send this snippet as it is as an email. So if we press on that, you're going to see you'll be able to send this screenshot as an email. Here we also have an option to highlight, so you can highlight. And we also have an option to erase. And that's all simple enough. So right now we're going to do a delayed screenshot, which is actually very powerful. It allows you to do some actions before the screenshot gets taken. To do so, I'm just going to simply close out of this one. We're not going to save this. And I'm going to start the snipping tool. Under the option of delayed, I'm going to select delay for 5 seconds. This will give me 5 seconds before the screenshot is taken. So to do so, I'm going to select new. And we have 5 seconds from this point. So I'm going to go and we're going to select here. As you can see now, the screenshot has been taken. And we can select what we want to take a screenshot of. We'll demonstrate different options that we have here. So freeform will allow you to click and drag a section of the screen that you want to take a screenshot of. So now let's take a look at the new version of Snipping Tool, which is called Snip and Sketch. To do so, we can open it in a similar way. We're going to click Start. We're going to type Snip. We're going to see Snip and Sketch come up here. Always remember that you can always right click and pin this to your start button or your taskbar. If you pin it to your taskbar, it's always going to show a little shortcut here for you. Easier access. So we're going to click Snip and Sketch. Similar to the snipping tool, we receive a canvas and options on the top. The option for delayed is now under a drop down, which allows us to delay for 3 seconds or 10 seconds. We also have the option for new. So let's go ahead and do a delayed screenshot of 3 seconds. So we're going to scroll down a little bit here, and this is what we're going to take a screenshot of. As you can see, the screen, instead of turning white, is now just dimmed. And we have an option for a rectangle screenshot or a freeform snapshot. And here we're going to go ahead and highlight. And similar to the old version, we have a pen. We have a highlighter. We also have the options for save, copy, and share. And the last thing we're going to take a look at here is keyboard shortcut. So let's say that we're already on this website and we don't want to open the application by just clicking on it. We can use a keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut for this is the Windows key, the Shift key, and the S key on your keyboard. As I've pressed that, you'll see that the screen has dimmed once more, and we can select snip of or screenshot of. Now here at the bottom right side, you'll receive a little notification. If you click on that, it's going to open up the editor from which you can save, copy, edit, or even create a new screenshot. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to Michell Consulting Group and visit us at mitchellgroup.com for more information. Have a great day.